Weaverville's wonderful.
The community is really amazing.
Weaverville still has that old town charm.
Oh, well, we feel so blessed. I mean, we live here in town. We can walk to work, and the business community are just wonderful partners.
We get to really collaborate with a lot of really awesome people.
We have a lot of artists here, and what I really like about all the businesses here is generally when you go in, the person who owns it's going to be there, right? Like we truly are the epitome of the mom and pop glass shop.
We have so many people who come in here and they tell us how every time they use their coffee mugs every morning, they think about their cool day in Weaverville they had. It's a powerful experience.
Weaverville has a lot of opportunities to get outdoors.
We're like 20 minutes from everything. We're 20 minutes from some really good hiking.
But we do love to get out and share our passion about the sport that we love. Fishing and hiking, and just to get outside and sit and enjoy nature.
You can feel like you're in the middle of nowhere. We've got all these vintage campers. There's hammocks to lay in the creek, and there's a lot of property to walk around. But yet in 12 minutes you could be downtown.
It's so close to Asheville that it's got this whole other vibe going on.
There's just so many great breweries, restaurants, things to do in Weaverville.
And lots of great shopping, all locally owned, with folks that will talk to you, exchange life stories.
Blue Mountain's kind of like the Weaverville watering hole. You know, everybody comes here, grabs a slice of pizza and a beer, local food, locally sourced ingredients.
We wanted a quieter, more relaxed atmosphere to open a brewery in. This is primarily a working production brewery. We just are only open on Fridays and Saturdays.
It's important to us to be a good community member so that way we can help each other and really support just this kind of overall stewardship of the area.